In this video, I will show you how to create PayPal accounts. So let's jump straight into it. Now, to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to the official website, which is paypal.com. From the home screen, what you want to do is come up to the top right-hand corner and you're going to see this button to sign up. So give that a click first of all. And there's two types of accounts you can open. You can open up a personal account or a business account. So a personal account allows you to send, spend, and manage your money all from one secure app, so you can shop online without showing your payment info at checkout, manage money, and much more. However, if you want to set this up for business purposes, you want to click the option here, which is going to enable you to sell online, in-store, or on the go, and collect donations and help grow your business. By selecting a business account, you can accept customers' preferred payment methods so you don't miss a sale, easily integrate with the tools and partners you use to run your business, and sell securely with a brand customers trust in the UK and globally. Now, for the purpose of this one, I'm going to be setting up a personal account. So what I'm going to do is select personal and then come down and click the get started button. On the next screen, it's going to ask you to enter an email address that you want to use to sign up for PayPal. And once you've done that, just come down and click next underneath. Then what it's going to do is ask you to enter a phone number. So you just want to select your country code from here and then enter your phone number into the box here. Again, after doing that, just come down and click next underneath. At this point, it's going to ask you to confirm your phone number. So a code will be sent to your mobile number. So make sure you do enter a number that you do have access to and then enter the code into this screen here. Next, what you want to do is create a password. So you can use 8 to 20 characters and you need to use two of the following, which is letters, numbers, or symbols. Once again, just come and click next once you've entered your password. Now, what you need to do is enter some personal details, and you need to make sure this does match your ID, like a driver's license, because they might ask you to verify your ID. And what you want to do on the next screen is enter your address. You need to make sure it's your primary residential address, and it cannot be a PO box address. What you then want to do is come down to the bottom and tick the box to agree to PayPal's user agreement and privacy statement and the right of withdrawal. I've already read through these, but you can click on the links here to read through those if you want to. The second box is optional, and this is where you agree to receive marketing communication, but you can change this at any time in your settings. For the purpose of this example, I'm just going to leave that box ticked and then click the blue agree and create account button. On the next screen, it's going to ask what you want to try first, so you can start shopping straight away or sending money, but you don't have to do this. You can just come down and click not now underneath. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you to add your card, or you can link a bank instead. Again, you don't have to do this straight away. For the purpose of this example, I'm just going to come and click not now at the bottom. And here we are. As you can see, our account is set up ready to go. So of course, before you can actually make payments and things like that, you do need to link a card or bank account. So if you didn't do that in the setup process, you'll be able to do this from your dashboard. You can see there's an option here to link cards or bank accounts, which is going to enable you to shop and send money to friends more securely. So what you want to do is add that there. And that is how to create PayPal accounts. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.